My name is Gabby, and today in Ecorobotik we're going to continue to talk about 3D printers. We're going to explore different kinds of 3D printers, and we're going to emphasize into this printer called FDM, or Fused Deposition Modeling. There are 11 different kinds of 3D printers in the market. In the future, who knows how many new kinds will emerge. The main difference between the 3D printers are the process and the material to build their prints. Some uses liquid resin, such as SLA or stereolithography, MSLA or DLP, digital light processing. There are other 3D printers such as SLS or Selective Laser Sintering or SLM, Selective Laser Melting. They both use powder to make the structure. The particles are fused together by a laser, and the materials to make the powder could be made from metal, nylon, or even glass. This printer here is a Dremel 3D40. It uses a process called FDM or Fused Deposition Modeling. It's different to the ones before because it doesn't use powder or resin. It uses something called thermoplastic. So what are thermoplastics? Thermoplastics are plastics that are high temperature and become moldable, easy to create, featured like the feet of this frog, and upon cooling, it actually solidifies very quickly, making structures hard like this frog. We're going to print another frog, and during the process of printing, we're going to explain different parts of the print. So let's start. So the first thing is we're going to level the printer. So making sure the plate is actually not crooked, because if we print crooked, then we'll have the nice looking detail of the frogs. It will actually have overlapping those layers. There are 5 parts on the 3D printers: the frame, the platform, the printer head, the stepper motor, and the firmware. The frame is what holds the structure together. The platform or build bed, these are where the print is being built. As you can see, the frog is coming along on top of the platform. The printer head here includes the nozzle and the extruder. The nozzle and the extruder is where the filament is being heated up and exited to create, in this case, the frog. The stepper motors, it was allowed to move and print in the X, Y, Z axis. There is one over here that allows to move the printer head front and back or in the Y-axis. There is another one over here that allows to move the printer head left to right or in the X-axis. There is another one in the back that allows to move the platform up and down. The firmware is the permanent software where the touchscreen controls the motor, the heat, and the fan. To clarify, there is no software built in for designing. That is why there is a USB port to download the files. The frog is ready. So let's recap. There are 11 different kinds of 3D printers. This 3D printer is a FDM, and there are 5 parts in a 3D printer: the frame, the platform, the printer head, the stepper motor, and the firmware. So don't forget to follow us in our social media and click down below to subscribe for the next episode of Ecorobotik. Let's see how this finishes. I love frogs, for whoever doesn't love it.